Feeling clumsy? Maybe you're all thumbs. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun English phrase that you might find quite amusing. All thumbs. Have you ever felt a little clumsy, dropping things, or just not being able to handle small objects well? Well, there's a phrase in English for that. Stick around as we dig into what it means to be all thumbs, how to use it in a conversation, and share some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. Have you ever tried to text on your phone, only to keep hitting the wrong keys? Or attempted to thread a needle and just couldn't do it? That's when English speakers say someone is all thumbs. This phrase is a light-hearted way to say that someone is clumsy or not skilled at handling things, especially tasks that require fine motor skills. But why thumbs, you ask? Well, imagine trying to do everything with just your thumbs. It wouldn't be easy, right? That's the picture this idiom paints. The phrase, all thumbs, actually comes from the idea that thumbs are the least nimble of all our fingers. Historically, thumbs have been symbolic of awkwardness when it comes to delicate tasks. This expression dates back to at least the 16th century and has been used to humorously describe clumsiness ever since. Now that we know what it means, let's talk about how to use the phrase, all thumbs. You can use it in a self-deprecating way. Like after spilling a drink, you might say, "Sorry, I'm all thumbs today." Or, you can use it when describing someone else's attempts at something that require finesse, such as, "He tried to fix the watch, but he was all thumbs and it fell apart." Remember, this phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or writing. Let's go over a few examples to see how all thumbs works in sentences. When knitting, I wanted to learn to knit, but I was all thumbs and kept dropping stitches. In the kitchen, be careful with that jar of honey. If you're all thumbs, it might end up on the floor. During repairs, he offered to repair my glasses, but he was all thumbs, and now they're more bent than before. By using these examples, you can start to get a feel for the situations in which this phrase might pop up. And that wraps up our little journey through the phrase, all thumbs. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom with confidence. Clumsiness happens to all of us, and now you know a playful way to talk about it in English. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't be all thumbs with the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!